Hi everyone. This is a little bit about me. My name is Sam or Samantha Party. Sam or Samantha is fine with me. I do not have a preference. I'm currently a sophomore HRTM major, which is Hospitality, Restaurant, and Tourism Management, for those who do not know. I grew up in a small town about 40 minutes outside of downtown Lincoln here. And I put this photo on here just because I thought it was funny being in the hospitality field, and it's a little silly to me, so I liked it. I am taking this course to learn how to react to different leadership styles as well as use different leadership styles to maybe help my future employees or followers if they like a certain type of leadership. I would like to help them grow as an individual by using the type of leadership that they prefer, if that's what it takes. When reading over this week's readings, I thought that it was pretty crazy that we're always told to use critical thinking, and no one has really sat down and taught us how to actually do that. And I thought that was crazy. I actually thought it was very mind blowing. In a couple organizations I am in, I'm a member of HSDO as well as PAWS, and both of them are big values for me because I'm in the hospitality major, so I'd like to be in the club as well. And then PAWS is about promoting animal wellness and safety, and I really love animals too, so I thought this would be a great mix. In my future, I hope to be an event coordinator at a golf club or a country club. Either one is amazing to me. And an interesting fact about myself is I recently found out that I am a natural omelet maker. And so if anyone needs omelets made to order, I am the gal to call. So definitely keep that in mind. I am looking forward to meeting and learning about everyone else in this class. And well, thank you.